Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use compass on Android devices. First, you have to find out the default compass app that available on your Android device. Most of the Android devices have their default compass, but if you can find any default compass in your apps section, then you just need to download from your Google Play Store. But in some devices, you can find the compass in a different section. Just like S series, Samsung S series phone like S23, S24 or S25 Ultras. This type of phones are not have any type of default app that allows you to use compass. So let's see how we can figure out this problem. First, you have to go to the settings. Now from settings, scroll down and you will find display. Click on it. Now from here, you just need to scroll down and you will find edge panels. Make sure the edge panel is enabled. Click on it. Now here the first option is panels. Here, sorry, the panels. Click on panels and then you just need to select tools here. Here is the compass you can see. This is a full compass. Now you just need to click on tools. Now you also can edit the compass here. For use location data, you can set your location to your compass. Just enable it, then click on back button here. After that, you just need to go back again and we are going to home, and then you just need to swipe the edge panel. You just need to again swipe the edge panel. By twice, you will find the compass in your side panel and you can use your phone as a compass. Just like this, if you can just by this you can just cancel, and here you can find all the coordinates that you are facing. It will tell the coordinates that you are facing your phone, and that's how you can use your Android device as a compass. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.